Ma'am, should I start?
Yeah, please start.
Okay, ma'am. A very happy and good morning to one and all. I, Mrs. Harshada Niju, welcome you all to the inaugural function of the three grand events, Scientific Fest, Panorama, and ARSH, the Media Fest of our college. Every occasion has to be started with the blessings of our elders and God. As it has been our college tradition, we shall also start with today's program with our college prayer. I request Mrs. Janavi Shivasagar ma'am and Mrs. Archana Sanap ma'am to recite our college prayer, offering prayers to Goddess Saraswati.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Thanks, both of you. I take this opportunity on behalf of JVM's Degree College to welcome today's Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Executive President, JVM Trust, Sri M.S. Bhumareddy, sir. We are really very happy, sir, for your gracious presence. I would also like to welcome all the honorable management members for having graced this occasion. I would like to welcome respected Principal Dr. Leena Sarkar ma'am and respected Judge Mr. Clyde Fernando. I welcome all my dear colleagues, and last but not the least, I welcome all the dear student participants of today's competition. I would like to introduce our chief guest, Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Guest Sri M.S. Bhumareddy sir. After graduation, though from rich family, Sir did not sit at his village but entered the metropolitan city like Mumbai immediately with more vigor and energy. Languages have no jurisdiction. He is well known to English, Hindi, Marathi, and Kannada. Further, he learned German language too. He took apprenticeship under his grand uncle Sri V.V. Bhumareddy, who had the business of stone quarry and crushers. He appreciated himself working under Granny and modernized the technique with his engineering knowledge. He worked till the year of 2013. After all, age is also a factor. He took rest from the active participation. Being the family of philanthropic and educationalist, Sri Mrs. MS, Miss MS Bhumareddy, I'm so sorry, sir, there, Sri MS Bhumareddy, also very much interested to dedicate his life for education. His family has school and college at Rajendragarh district, Dharwad, in the name of his father, Sri MS SM Bhumareddy. There is a College of Engineering and Technology in the name of Sri B.V. Bhumareddy at Hubli, run by KLE Society, Belagavi. Yes, blood is thicker than the water. In heritage of his family, developed in his mind and heart, started an English medium school at Kalwa, Thane in the year 1974. He gathered like-minded people, destined the institution as Jnana Vikas Mandal and school as New English School. He poured the water to the bud of Gyan Vikas Mandal and started growing as tree with branches, adding junior college at Kalwa, Thane, degree college at Airoli, Navi Mumbai. College has its many faculties other than regular courses like arts, science, and commerce, with professional courses BSc CS, BSc IT, BMS, BAF, BMM, along with the post-graduation courses like MSc Chem, Chemistry, MCom FA, MCom Management, MSc IT, and so on. He's a founder president of Trust, that is Gyan Vikas Mandal, and is presently nominated as executive president by the general body. He did not stop his adventures with this only. Gyan Vikas Mandal, but also he joined the hands with Shri Satish Pradhan, started another educational institute known as Jnana Sadhana, which is helping lower middle class people that took to the students having lower aptitude. Now, Jnana Sadhana has grown up with full-fledged college in Thane city. Here is soul to work in the philanthropic. Okay. So with this, I request Sir to give the presidential address. Over to you, sir.
Congratulations to all of you for conducting this festival. First of all, I congratulate all the organizers and participants in Science Festival and BMM and BAMMC Arts Media Festival today. I'm very happy to have this function today. I congratulate all of you, staff and participants. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
It's very happy to have you here with us, sir. And thank you for your encouraging words.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, sir. As we all know, we have been organizing. Amit, sir, my voice is actually echoing. Can anything be done about this?
Ma'am, I'm trying to mute all other participants.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. As we all know, we have been organizing these 3 events from the past many years. And we used to have physical inauguration function in our huge college auditorium. But due to current pandemic situation, we'll be carrying out the inaugural function virtually. So I request all the honorable management members to inaugurate the 3 events virtually and declare them open for competitions. Mr. Fasa, over to you. I thank you, all of you, sir, for doing the honors. Before we start with the competitions, I would like to brief you with the details of all the 3 events which we are going to have in these 2 days. In Arch, the Media Fest, the total number of events organized would be 10, and number of participants 400, and nearly 35 to 40 colleges have participated for the event. In Panorama, the total number of events are 8, and the total number of participants are 1,105, and the colleges participation, the number of colleges participating are 825. And also we have participants coming from Pune, Ratnagiri, Palghar, Tarapur for Panorama event. In the SciTech Fest, we have total number of events 11, and the number of participants is 573, and we have received 75 and more participation of the colleges. Then colleges from Ahmednagar, Kudal, Chiplun, Nasik, Pune, Indore have participated for the today's competition. So let us begin with the we shall begin with the competitions today. And the first event of competition is rap singing of Arch Media Fest. For this competition, we will be having our respected judge, Mr. Clyde Fernando, and I would like to introduce sir to all of us. Clyde, sir, I hope you're there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, sir. Mr. Clyde Fernando is a musician by profession. He's well known for his beatboxing and rapping skills. He works as a music teacher where he teaches singing and rapping to his students to help them grow as multi-skilled musicians like him. He's also a member of the band Not the Acoustic Average and has done over 400 shows around Bombay. We are honored to have you, sir, here, and we'll be very happy to hear one of your best songs here before we start with the competition. Yes, sir?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah, all right. So good morning to all of you. And since a lot of participants are going to showcase their talents through this event, I chose two motivational songs. I'm just going to sing a small part of it, especially to just wish the participants good luck and to wish the college also good luck for their growth in the future. So the first song is going to be from the movie Iqbal, and the second song is going to be from the movie Laksh. I hope you like this one. So let's go. पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को छीन के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी. Okay, the next song. हाँ यही रास्ता है तेरा तूने अब जाना है हाँ यही सपना है तेरा तूने पहचाना है हर हाल में पाना है तुझे अब ये दिखाना है रोके तुझको आ दिया या जमीन और आसमां पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा लक्ष्य को हर हाल में पाना है तुझे अब ये दिखाना है. Thank you so much, ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the wonderful performance, and it is really inspiring for the participants. Yeah. So with this, let us begin with the competition, and I would like to call upon the very first participant of the day, Mr. Yasir Momin. Mr. Yasir Momin, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I'm here.
Yeah, you can start with the performance.
Okay, ma'am.
I guess you'll have to present your screen and start with the performance.
What?
Or I don't know, video on. You'll have to keep your video on so that we can
Yes,
see.
my video is on, ma'am.
So I'll share the screen and I'll pin the participant here.
Yes, sir, that would be really nice.
Shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, Yasir.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Yasir Momin. My stage name is Enzo, and I'm going to prefer my song to you all. Thank you. I'm going to start now. जिंदगी के दौड़ में मैं चल रहा था शान से, आगे जाके मिलने लगे बहुत खतरे रास्ते। नहीं पता था शांत से शैतान मेरे पास थे, फिर पता चला कौन मेरे यार कौन खास थे। पता नहीं किसी को ऐसे घेरे मेरे रास्ते, रास्तों पे मिले ज्ञान जो नहीं मिले क्लास में। अभी रहता थोड़ा शांत, अभी रखता फासले, अभी हंस ले जितना हंसना है। मेरी जीत मेरी हार मेरा मसला है, हर नाके पे हर दिन लफड़ा है। दुनिया बड़ी जालिम कोई नहीं अपना है, दुनिया बड़ी जालिम कोई नहीं अपना है। हकीकत में जीता तंग आ गया मैं सपनों से, दिल में दर्द फंस के मिट गया जैसे बातों से। छोड़ दिया गुनहगारी अभी करता करता लफ्जों से, मेरी रूबी तंग हो गई अभी अपनों से। मेरी जीत मेरी गीत मेरी जा मेरी बीट, ध्यान से देखकर तेरे पास कड़ी पत्ता नहीं भीड़। करते फ्री स्टाइल बैकग्राउंड में 90s के बीट, गाने बनाओ फर्क नहीं पड़ता चाहे फ्लॉप या हिट। रैप जैसा मेरा पहला प्यार नहीं करता चीट, ये नहीं करता चीट। हाँ, thank you ma'am, that's all I got.
That was a lovely performance, and we have Clyde sir to judge the performance. Good, very good, Yasir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next performance will be given by Shakti Matalpurkar. Shakti Matalpurkar.
Hello
Yeah,
everyone. My
yeah.
name is Shakti Matlapurkar.
I'm so sorry for your mispronunciation of your name.
It's all
Yeah,
good, ma'am.
yeah. Shakti, over to you.
Okay, Drew.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I'm presenting a small rap today. So let's go. Just a second, ma'am. We are searching for the beats. Just a second.
No problem.
Okay, Drew. Yes. Okay. Hey, let's go. बीच मात्र में तेज चल रहा, देश भाइयों में ही हो रहा। सोचो तुम भी सारे करें तो हिप हॉप के लिए मास्टर बनना नहीं जरूरी। छपेगिरी करनी हाँ इनकी गोबियां ही कैसे तो बन क्या पर आर्टिस्ट नहीं है, गुनेगारी बोल के पर आर्टिस्ट तो नहीं है, इसमें आर्टिस्ट तो नहीं है। ए पाप तो करता पर सोचता नहीं, दिमाग को तो साफ करना पोछा नहीं, दूसरे की बात छोड़ तो खुद का नहीं। अभी उल्टा पुल्टा सब कर धन का भी खोटा बच्चे ने कभी भी बस सच्चाई बताते कितना चलेगा। अभी साली कुछ अच्छा ही सुना दे फालतू लड़ा झगड़ों से कभी बाहर भी तो अरे अभी जा अभी छोड़ अभी रहने दे, अभी जा अभी छोड़ अभी रहने दे। ए बारी आई मेरी अभी कहने दे, मनाओ तुझे रानी ले गहने रे। अब वो दिन बीते जब हम शहर थे क्या, जो सोचो मैं कहूँ मैं, जो कहूँ मैं करूँ मैं, जो करूँ मैं सही में आज मुँह में जुमो है। जो सोचो मैं कहूँ मैं, जो कहूँ मैं करूँ मैं, जो करूँ मैं सही में आज मुँह में जुमो मैं। बस करता मैं चिल हाँ करता मैं फील, ये लड़का सब ठीक है एकदम सटीक करता मैं अपील हाँ करता रिवील हाँ करता मैं ट्रिप हाँ करता मैं ट्रिप। ये बीट है से क्या बोलूँ मैं इन बनना तू भी रियल करना तू भी रील, सब होगा फील जब रखेगा फेस करेगा बिलीव। ए देखेगा स्किल तो आना कभी, करना तुझको हिल तो आना कभी, करना हो जो ब्लूम तो आना कभी, करना जब इम्प्रूव तो आना तभी। Thank you so much.
Yeah, a very energetic performance, Shakti. We'll have the next performance now. Mr. Ashish Pandey. Ashish, are you there? Ashish Pandey? I guess Ashish is not been able to join. Shall we go ahead with the next performance? The next performance will be given by Gautam. Gautam, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Gautam, go ahead with the performance.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, full to time 8080 सीधा मेहता कॉलेज से क्या जानते ना सर, लॉकडाउन की बात करते क्या अभी कहने को बहुत कुछ, दिमाग रखा शांत बस दिल बोले बोल तू कहने को बहुत कुछ, दिमाग रखा शांत बस दिल बोले बोल तू। आज सब बेटे घर पर डर कर वायरस के चर्चे और देश भर में हलचल। 9 महीने से देश में लोग तंगे, सरकार को टेंशन है, काहे का टेंशन है, सब खाना पीना सब जम गरीब बेटा भूखा सब राशन सब खत्म। सरकार नाम बताए का काम, सरकार नाम काय का काम, क्या पता क्या सब क्या सही, पर कितनों की मौत हुई कितनों की जॉब गई, सबके और सब कड़े आज भी। अगर सब दिन के साथ तो सुनामी अजम है, वायरस की कहानी करना खत्म है, खुद से खुद का सब बनाते नसीब है, दिमाग के तेरे पास चला ना सीख ले। या सोच बदलो देश बदलेगा, मैं सोच बदलो देश बदलेगा। ठीक। थैंक यू।
Okay, Gautam, that was a nice performance. Next participant, yeah, next participant is Devesh Malpani. Devesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Devesh, go ahead with your performance.
Hello, so can you hear me? Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, we can hear you. We can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah. So myself Devesh Malpani. My stage name is Vision, and I'm from BK Villa College, second year BMM. So let's start. 18 साल की उम्र और बंदा ये दिख स्मार्ट है, असली सारे दोस्त और अलग मेरा मिजाज है, कड़ा ना करता किसी को ऐसा अंदाज है, ये फ्लो मेरा तोड़ हाड़ ये आवाज है। हाँ मैं हूँ वो जिसके चर्चे है हर गलियों में, मैं वो फूल जो खिलता हजारों कलियों में, मैं वो जीव हूँ जो ठहर के शिकार करता, सुन लो पहले तेरी फिर चाबुक सा तुझ पे वार करता, लगता है मुझको तो कुछ भी अब खास नहीं, कड़वा में बोलूं पर मैं करता बकवास नहीं, खुदा पे यकीन है पर रखता उपवास नहीं, सच्चाई छुपी है तो हाँ है ये बात सही, मेरे हर वर्ष में छुपी हकीकत है, बंदा फैंटास्टिक तो बातें भी तिखट है, हिप हॉप का खेल है ये, इसकी भी कीमत है, आज चुके दम पे खड़ा हूँ यही हिम्मत है, हिप हॉप हमारा है इसलिए मेरे बस का है, फ्लो बहुत स्मूथ बेटा देख जैसे मस्का है, पकाना कम कर तू तेरे लिए रास्ता, पटेली माना छोड़ दे तू पब्लिक उस पे हंसता है। हाँ 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 सुन सदियों का बीता हुआ ख्वाब हूँ, हुआ ना कमजोर क्योंकि सब का मैं बाप हूँ, लिखने लगा कुछ तो मैं अंगार सा, जलने लगी सबकी सबका हुआ बुरा हाल सा। हाँ करने लगा रैप जब से मिला मुझे हौसला, शब्द होते बेहतर मेरे कम हुआ फासला, बढ़ाया जिसने हाथ उसका देता रहा साथ, ते जलते थे जो उनकी क्या करूं मैं बात, करने लगा रैप जब से मिला मुझे हौसला, शब्द होते बेहतर मेरे कम हुआ फासला, बढ़ाया जिसने हाथ देते रहा साथ, ते जलते थे जो उनकी क्या करूं मैं बात। था और हाँ बात से कुछ बातें और स्टार्ट स्टार्ट पक्षपात की है बात पूरी हुई हर मुराद खेले के मैं बैठा हर खेले क्या करूं मैं बात चले मेरे साथ जीतना अगर है जिंदगी को काटा या हर रास्ते पे चीरे दे वो जीत ले। थैंक यू सो मच, पीस।
Yeah, thank you, Devesh. That was a wonderful performance. Ashish Pandey is having some network issues. I would like to call upon Ashish Pandey if he's able to give his performance, or else we'll move on. Ashish, are you there? I guess he's not able to join because of network issues. So we shall begin. We shall move on with the next competition from Panorama. That is Ad Mania, and over to Onkar Mone sir and Mustafa sir.
Amit sir, I have to present the screen.
No problem. I'll remove my presentation. Give me a minute. Yeah, you can share it now.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, honorable management members, respected principal, my colleagues, and all my dear friends. A very warm welcome to the most awaited event of the Panorama 2020, the Ad Mania. The credit of this event completely goes to our BMS students who first time ever successfully handled this event virtually. So without wasting any time, I would request our host of the event, Mr. Nigel and Mr. Khalid, to continue further. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Nigel Dias from SYBMS of JVM Mehta College. I'd like to welcome you all to our event, Ad Mania, part of Panorama Fest 2020. So before we begin, I'd like to thank the organizers of the event. starting with Nawaz sir and Onkar sir from BMS department, and also my batchmates from JBM Mehta College from the BMS section, Rutvik, Siddhi, Himanshu, Anjali, Vaishnavi, Parth, Akansha, and Akshat. So before we start, I'd like to give a small idea about this event. As we know, advertisement has become very popular over the last decade, and it is obviously the best way for any brand or product to promote themselves. So the AdMania organizing team has come up with this event for all the creative minds out there to showcase their creativity and marketing skills. We had a huge influx of participants for this event, a total of 65 registrations, out of which there were 20 participants. After giving a lot of thought by the organizing committee, we managed to shortlist 10 best videos which were sent to the judge, who selected the top 5. So in this event, the participants have been provided with the raw material, that is paper, and they have to develop a product out of it. And not just that, they even have to make an advertisement using their imagination and creativity. They even though they were given 30 seconds as time limit, yet they came up with some amazing ideas. Now I'd like to ask my co-host Khalid to take over the rest of the event.
Hello everyone, myself Khalid Memon from SYBMS department. I would like to present in front of you the 5 videos which were shortlisted by our judge, and the first video which will be presented on your screen was made by serial number AD46 from KV Pendharkar College. Wow, what an interesting slide was that. Now, after this, the second advertisement is presented by serial number 8045 from Pillai College.
So your voice is very
पापा की चाय हो या माँ की दिवाली की लाइटिंग्स, मीरा की कपकेक्स हो या राम का कप का पिरामिड, सब में होता है ये यूज, ये गजब की चीज है. For every occasion, as little things served in different style.
After this amazing advertisement, now I would like to present in front of you the third advertisement, which was made by AD37 from Tarareja College.
Yes, it's a paper and we can use it in various ways. It's a king of DIY. This pretty paper dress, airplane and bandages are also made from paper. Can you believe it? This wall of area, newspaper, and after recycling the newspaper we can get many things. And not just this, magazines, rolls, thus paper are very useful.
Sir, you are not audible.
Wow, who knew that paper had so many advantages? Now, after this interesting advertisement, I would like to present in front of you AD44 from JVM Mehta College. It will be presented in front of you.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Now, after this amazing advertisement comes the last one of the 5 advertisements which are shortlisted. This one is made by AD50 from CHM College.
Forget the day we met, your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met, your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless.
Now, these were the 5 absolutely amazing advertisements which were shortlisted by our judges. Now, out of this, only two of them, out of which one was the winner and the other one was the runner-up, was selected by our judge, Mrs. Gauri Patankar, who is from Thane. She is a commercial as well as an event photographer. She has been in the profession for about more than 10 years. She is the owner of a photographic firm, Knots and Roses. And not only that, her photography is associated with a lot of products and brands such as Big Bazaar, Godrej, American Jewelers, JBL, etc. Presently, she is working on portraits for which she is passionate about. Now, I would like to ask my colleague to present in front of you the winner and the runner-up for this event. As you could see, serial number AD50 from SMT CHM College has won the first prize for our event Advertisement Mania, and the runner-up is AD45 from Pillai College. Now, I would like to conclude. Congratulations to these participants for winning and to being the runner-up of this competition. Now, at the end, I would like to conclude by thanking our participants, organizers, our teachers, our HOD, Yogita ma'am, our principal, Leena ma'am, as well as our management for making this event successful. And I would now like to ask Harshada ma'am to take over for continuing the rest of the fest. Thank you.
Thank you so much. These were the glimpses from both Admania and rap singing from Panorama and Arsh. Rap singing competition will be continued on another link. If anyone is interested in watching rap singing competition, we shall share the link. So do let us know. Okay, so next competition is cosplay from SciTech Fest, and I now request Nishigandha to take over from here on. Nishigandha, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am. I just want to
Okay.
present my screen.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm presenting it.
तो लीव तो कर वो मीटिंग में
ज्वाइन ना
Yeah, can you see my screen? Yes. Okay, so a warm welcome to everyone here. Warm welcome to our dear management members. Warm welcome to Leena ma'am and all the presenters and students and all the judges who are all together online, jammed up, making this event successful. I would also like to thank all the rappers and the ad presenters. Excellent performance, you guys. And we are all gathered here today on World Science Day. So let's talk about it. So World Science Day this time is of much more importance because this whole year has been surrounded by novel coronavirus. Our scientists, our biologists, our chemists are giving their all they can for presenting and helping and building a healthy life for all of us. So this World Science Day, our theme is science for and with the society. This year, when the world needs the science most, battling novel COVID-19 pandemic, the focus of the world is for the science and the society dealing with it. So for this, we have organized a very interesting event. It's called Cosplay Digital Science Kalakar. So the reason why we have organized this event is, it is a very warm saying that when you involve someone with any task, they learn. And when you engage with them, they grow. So today we have 5 participants from cosplay here presenting their talents and something about science that they have learned, and maybe we can grow with them, learn with them, and revise our old and new knowledge with them. So I would call upon our first performer, and our first performer is Singh Shivani Santosh. So Shivangi, can you on your camera and start performing? Show us what you have said. Yeah.
Yes. 1 minute. Can I wear 1 minute?
Yeah. Okay. Sure. So as you can see the screen, there are very interesting people over here. Someone is dressed up as spy, and there's this little girl in scientist costume. So cosplay is an imaginative self and performing identity. So that when you perform, you can also have a fun way of learning, because textbook learning is something that has become very monotonous. So why not have some fun with it? Shivangi, you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
A warm welcome to everyone. One and all present over here. I am today become a character of Moon. I am a moon. That we all know that I have not costume. That's why I have this only. Sorry for that. The moon is, everyone know, moon means चांद. आप लोग ने तो चांद देखा ही होगा. आप लोग ने ये भी गाना सुना होगा, देखो देखो चांद आया आया नजर आया. पर हमें ये नहीं पता कि चांद क्या होता है. चांद वो होता है जो अंधेरे में उगता है, जो रोशनी देता है. उसका भी बहुत सारा साइंस है. चांद को खूबसूरती से तोला जाता है यानी उसे लव का प्रतीक किया जाता है, उसे लव को प्रेजेंट किया जाता है. And the moon is a sign of emotional and attachment of the feeling that we all know. Today is a science day, as we know that moon is the 7th largest planet in the earth. The moon distance from the earth is 3,84,400 and its gravity is 1.6 kilometer. And the great name of the moon is Celivia, and other name is Luna. As we know that the curvature that recently happened is only because of the चांद. जब तक हम चांद नहीं देखेंगे तो व्रत कैसे तोड़ेंगे? The चांद वो है जिसे हम देखते हैं और सुनते हैं कि वो इतना बड़ा है कि वो अर्थ का क्वार्टर साइज है. क्वार्टर साइज एकदम छोटा सा है, पर उसकी बहुत सारी बेनिफिटेड है. बहुत सारी ऐसा एहसास करिए कि चांद है जो हमें रात में भी रोशनी देता है. सूरज उगता है तो चांद ढलता है, चांद ढलता है तो सूरज उगता है. चांद वो है जो लव का प्रतीक है. थैंक यू.
Wow, excellent performance, Shivanjali. So as she has said about moon,
thank you.
Yeah, it was excellent performance. And what was there on your head? It was very cute. What is it? Is that moon?
Moon. It was moon. Yes.
Wow.
Okay. I made a moon because I didn't have any costume because I'm out of town.
Excellent performance, Shivanjali. So now from the celestial
Thank
body of
you.
moon and the shimmering light of moon, let's move towards our next performance by Janvi Manoj Rapade. Janvi, can you start presenting?
Yeah, 1 minute. Am I audible and visible?
Yeah, Janvi, you are.
Yes. So, hello everyone. I am an essential element for the life on the earth. Can you guess me? Who am I?
Come on, guys, guess who is she?
Carbon. Yes, you all are correct. I'm carbon. My atomic number is 6 and my atomic mass number is 12. As there are 6 proton and 6 neutron present in my nucleus and 2 electrons present in my inner shell and 4 electrons present in my outer shell. I'm an 15th most abundant element in the earth crust and 4th most abundant element in the universe. The human body is made up of the second most compound in the human body is carbon. Thank you.
Janvi. So from carbon, let's move towards our next performance by Pooja Saswin. Pooja, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
So, good morning everyone. Myself Pooja Sajwan. So, I am from MCC College studying in first year BSc Computer Science. So, today talking about, first of all, I will introduce myself with my character. I am a straightforward and bold person. I believe in karma. If you do good to others, that will come back to you. That will reflect to you. Then I am a spiritual seeker. I believe in spirituality. Then again, I love simplicity. I love people who are simple by nature and childish by heart. So today I will be portraying the character of a teacher to whom I inspire the most. So if you see the wall behind me, in terms of creativity, I have my room. Okay, so the wall behind me is the blackboard which I made or which I follow as a teacher. And if you see this box, this is my chalk box in which there are many pieces of chalks here, and duster is also there. So I think that every person in this world is a teacher because he shares knowledge, values, and something that we learn from it. So I think I admire the teacher the most, and of course I will be following this profession and talking going ahead. I can say that creativity is in my room. I just, whenever I didn't understand any concept, I just imagine students in front of me and start teaching. So teaching is my passion and I love it. Thank you.
By Pooja. I think teachers are the unsung heroes of COVID-19 pandemic. I mean, they had so many obstacles to tackle with how to manage everything digitally, to checking our assignments digitally, and the whole looking at the screen throughout the time. I mean, seriously, hats off to all the teachers. And they have organized such great programs for us, such amazing lectures and sessions for us. So, hearty thanks to all the unsung heroes of COVID-19 IES teachers. So our next performer is Omkar Chaudhary. Omkar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. I am Omkar Chogle. I am from TYBSc in JVM Mehta College. I am presenting a screen. 1 second.
Omkar, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, Omkar. Omkar, it's okay if you can't present the PPT. You can just on your camera and talk about what you have prepared.
Hello.
Yeah.
एक सेकेंड मैम, टेक्निकल इश्यू हो रहा है, एक सेकेंड.
Okay, no problem. We all, I think.
Nishigandha, can we take the next participant till then? Let Omkar sort out his technical issue. Yeah, Nishigandha, can we take the next Omkar sort out his technical issue? Yeah.
Omkar, can you just mute yourself? Yeah. So our next performer, Nasreen, can you start with your performance? Nasreen, are you there? Okay, ma'am. Even she is facing some net issues. So, Omkar, this is like the. Just try by keeping your camera on if you can. Okay, ma'am. So I guess should we wait for Omkar to present his screen? Omkar, you can just unmute yourself and talk about whatever you have prepared. It's okay. What COVID has taught us is how to manage and be patient throughout, digital problems that we face and how to tackle them. It's okay. You can just unmute yourself and talk about what you have prepared.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I am presenting a diasporium element, which is the atomic number is 66 and इसका molecular weight है 162. It is the first discovered by Paul Emil Lico in 1886. इसका जो डे टू डे लाइफ में यूजेस होता है वो हाइलाइट डिस्चार्ज लैंप में और न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर कंट्रोल रॉड में इसका यूज होता है. ओके. और इसका जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है XE for F10 6s2 और ये जो ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट दिखाता है वो +2 और +3 में उसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट दिखाता है. ओके. और एक्चुअली इसका जो मैग्नेटिक बिहेवियर है इट इज अ पैरामैग्नेटिक नेचर बिकॉज इसमें जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो अनपेयर रहते हैं, 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन अनपेयर रहते हैं, इसलिए पैरामैग्नेटिक नेचर दिखाता है. थैंक यू.
Okay, the 5 finalists from cosplay event, and I would really like to thank Archana ma'am, Leena ma'am for letting me create this event, Cosplay Digital Kalakar Bonanza. We will soon announce the finalists. Our judges are Harshita ma'am and Archana ma'am. So, and I would like to thank Satish Zaidi for making such beautiful flyers for Cosplay Bonanza event. This was such an exciting time to meet you all and have created this event. I hope someone has really learned something new. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, everyone. And I would like to conclude at this. I would like Sanjeevani ma'am to give the vote of thanks. Thank you.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Hello?
Sanjeevani ma'am. Yes,
Am I
Sanjeevani
audible?
ma'am. Yes, Sanjeevani ma'am.
Okay.
You're audible.
Thank you, Nishigandha. Good morning, one and all
Yes,
present over
Sanjeev.
here. I, Mrs. Sanjeevani Nalkar, convener of SciTech Fest, is here to propose a
Yes,
vote of
Sanjeev.
thanks. It seems to be a great honor to propose a vote of thanks to all who have helped us in making this event successful. First of all, I would like to thank to our chief guest, Shri Bum Reddy sir, for gracing today's intercollegiate event. Thank you, sir, for your valuable guidance. I would like to thank all our management members for providing guidance and always support. I would like to thank our beloved principal ma'am, Dr. Leena Sarkar, for motivation, guidance, and all-time support. I am happy to express a vote of thanks to our staff that has made this event a grand success. Through their motivation and dedication. During this intercollegiate event, we have conducted various events. I thank all those who have participated overwhelmingly and making this event successful. I would like to give my vote of thanks to all the event in charges and different committee members for making the event a great success. I would like to thank the volunteers who ran around doing a lot of things. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Thank you one and all. I will